Scaring them cats down, girl? Oh, the cats are out there waiting for the cat dude. The cat food dude. Uh. What can I say? She's been pretty good with. Let's see if she'll do the black ball. Oh my gosh. There it is. Ah, finally. I've been trying to get her to do the black ball for a while. straight, straight to the straight to the backpack for your favorite toy. I'll change back to my old apron. Oh, you got two of them? Change back to my old apron. I can't get to my pockets in this one, but it's made way better. Get it. Ha ha ha, yeah. Good. Get it. Yeah, get it. Oh, yeah. Give me that. Give me that foot. Give me that foot. The back pocket on my new pouch one is already ripped up. It had two single pouches and then the back pouch, right? So I could get to my pockets real easy, which I thought was cool. But man, this wasn't made well, right? That's what happens when you get that $30 stuff off Amazon. Give me that! Oh, I got the stupid leaf. Hold on. There we go. Give me that. But you know, you get it, you try it, and you never buy it again. If it's crap, right? Oh my gosh. Nice waste of money though, which I don't like. The resistance away makes them wanna. Ready? Drop it. Heel. Good. Middle. Yes. She didn't fall. It's kind of uphill right there too. Oh, I got your booty. Get it. Get it. Oh, yeah. A tug monster right here. By that girl. Ready? Jump it. Good. Down. This is hovering. Good. Heel. Good. Good for eye contact. Yes. Right. I don't know what I was doing right there. She'll wait for me to grab it. Sometimes she plays trying to keep away when she brings it back. I don't care. Usually, if I like to let go, she'll wait for me to get it. Because she really likes to tug, right? Some of them like the whole game of keep away and chase. She's more the tug. Right? Even the tuggers, sometimes they like to keep it away and run off. Yeah. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Get it, Tim. Ready? Drop it. Good. Ah. What else? I need to get my things better straight, though. So awkward, it drives me crazy. And I Gah! Gah! Give it. Oh, I was going to change my shoes. Although I think the water's starting to come out. You know, like all the tennis shoes, they make they're all like mesh, right? At least the ones I get, because they're cheap. I only get name brand shoes, but they still got to be cheap. Ready, jump it? On the side? Hey, come on. No. Here, here. Is that good enough? Here, side. Come on. I've been allowing a lot of ugly, super ugly, right? Front, middle, front. Come on. She's like, bitch, I'm tired of running around. Heel. Good girl. Yes. So, anyways, they get wet, and then your feet are wet all day. Drags you down, right? So I got some that are pretty good for some tennis shoes that are good for the. I want to say leather, but I'm pretty sure they're not really leather. I mean, they're New Balance, right? Is it really leather? Maybe it's really leather. Maybe it's half leather, half pleather. Anyways, we had some rain for a few days, so the mornings have been wet. Today is not. Are you done? Give me that. Give me. Oh my gosh. Give me. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh, give me that. Oh, give me that. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Yeah, I almost fell backwards. Did you see she like let go to rebite? I almost went flying backwards because I was in the middle of pulling back. Oh, ready to drop it? How can we get these dogs homes, man? So many dogs that need homes. We got little issues. I think the new puppies should be able to go pretty quick. Ready? The new puppy Milo. They said he was biting people, but in the house. I'm always in the way with you, Justin. What's up? What's up with that flip and roll you got going on lately? It's just because they like the physical stuff, right? Because you like that physical stuff. You don't get enough physical stuff. You had group yesterday with Tank, dude. Uh, oh, that's the other thing I liked about that. When I went to the two things, I could pull my shirt down, right? So like the shirt starts getting hiked up in the waistband. See, I can't find the shirt. It gets annoying, right? There's the cat food, dude. What you think, girl? You ready? We got another buddy coming today for the day. That's a good girl. You know, another buddy coming for a sleepover, a one night sleepover. Let's see. We hit 10. Oh, that's only 8:30. She ain't gonna do nothing else now, anyways. But that's the one thing I always forget about too when I'm doing my timing. I forget about the. I don't think about the. I think about the walk up and back, right? So it's another. When I do my timing, I gotta add 5 to 6 minutes for going up. What I don't think about is switching the dogs out, right? So when I get inside, I gotta take her to her room. I give her a cookie. Then I gotta come get the next dog. So that's 4 or 5 minutes that I don't think about. But it's kind of the good thing of working at home, right? The hard part is it's summertime, right? So it's getting hot at like 9 o'clock in the morning now. So once 9 o'clock hits, less intense exercise, if any. Girl, it's time to go.